To complete a swimming assessment, you can either access this via the assessment tools section here on the home page, or you can go to the assessment tab at the top and select swimming assessment tool. Once you're here, it will always default to the academic year you're in. And then what you'll be able to do is first of all see a list of all the pupils in the school. What you then need to do is utilise our filters to show just the year group you want to focus on, if that's the approach you'd like to take, or of course you could just have proceeded if it was a list of all pupils. But now I've just selected my year one pupils. We can see these pupils here and there's no information as yet. So now what I can start to do is add this information. So in here, I can say that this pupil has swum 25 metres. The minute that I say they can swim 25 metres, my tracker at the top will automatically change. If I reduce that to 24 metres, it won't count in my data up here because they actually are not meeting 25 metres in distance. If I put in 1,000 metres, they've already exceeded it, but it's important to note that that distance will correlate with the data tracker at the top. If they're able to use a range of strokes, we can say yes or no here, and then are they able to perform a safe self-rescue? That will change there. So every time you make a decision for your pupils, the data will start to react at the top. So this will obviously be extremely useful for you for your end of year reporting, but it's really important to highlight that this tool is available to any of the teachers and year groups that do go swimming so that you can keep that easy track. And obviously this could be completed while at the swimming pool to just enable that quick transfer of data so that all PE leaders and schools have got that information available. Again, you'd be able to then save the assessments that you've made, download this or create those reports as well.